recording.
Okay, so we'll be doing some Box Wars today.
First episode of Box Wars.
Yes, sir. So we got repacks here. We'll see what we can get.
Honestly, these can be really, really, really bad.
Yeah,
they can be really bad. But you
really
can also get some 2017 packs, 2018.
We're looking for the epic. So I'll roll dice.
It's going to be between Chris and Josh today. So
on the left will be the odd, which will be my box. To the right will be even. So let's see what we get. We got odd. So
the left one's going to Josh. The other one's going to Chris. So we'll take that
I'll get
right
the left one. In fact, I'll open first. Get right into it. Repacks. Never opened a repack before.
So you can get from any year.
Yeah.
I've seen a couple of these open. I don't know, man. They're interesting for sure.
Yeah. Let's just hope we get something that's not a Joe Burrow.
Something that's 2017.
So we'll go. We'll slow roll the packs out one by one.
You got any packs? Oh, you also got a guaranteed auto.
You got something in there. That's not. Okay, here's the leaf. That's
the worst probably one. The leaf. You're gonna get a probably a sage. Also, we'll vote at the end who got the better pack.
Premier draft.
We'll see who gets the better box at the end. We'll be sure to vote on that.
That's not it.
Just grab them all out.
I don't want to
grab them all out.
Oh, here's my. We have
numbered at 150.
150.
Who's that?
Trent Edwards.
Let us know if you ever heard of this guy, because I have not.
2008 Icons football. Sleeve it.
Yeah. That's your guaranteed.
So we got
card.
Classics.
What year is that? 2018.
2018.
2018 Classics. Looking for a Josh Allen, Baker Mayfield.
Yep.
Lamar Jackson.
We got. Okay, here's the other bad one. We'll just throw that under. Actually, we'll throw our good ones here. So we got two more. Should be good packs.
Decent packs, hopefully.
Yeah. We got score.
2017 though.
2017 score.
Chance at a Mahomes.
Okay. What did it say? Yeah, 2017 score. There we go.
That's nice.
So this will be either 18 or 16. This next one, I'm guessing. We got
I can't see the year. 2017 again.
I got two 2017s. Big odds here.
Chance for Mahomes here.
And then our. Oh my God.
DeAndre Swift 9.
Unfortunate.
Sage. Trash.
Just crack that in half. We're just gonna open these. Yeah, not what we're looking for.
Not at all.
I never knew repacks or so. I don't even know what I'm.
What years are those? Are those new?
I don't know. We'll find out.
Yeah, 2020 rookies.
Who is this?
Gaither.
Yeah, Gaither. What are with these names?
Sage Lewis.
Sage Lewis. Oh, JT. JT. Rip JT and Brian Edwards.
Nothing, man. Nothing. Can we get an auto at least, maybe?
Can you get autos out of these?
Yeah.
You can?
Yeah.
Big odds. Big odds.
Leaf? What Leaf?
Joe Reed. Clavon Chasen. He's a rookie. LaVisca.
Okay. That's kind of a cool card.
Tua.
Okay.
Price sells for a penny. And T. Higgins.
Okay. Now for the last of the bad ones.
And then.
I'd go with the 2018 first.
Yeah, I am. Can we hit an auto in here? No, we cannot. Damon.
Not even close. Actually, I don't think they're flipped over.
Kenneth Murray. No of him. DeAndre Swift. Ashton Davis. Tay Crowder. Raymond Clayos. And
DeAndre Swift.
Yeah, let's throw this Tua up. Why not? Why not? So we'll go with the Classics 18. We're looking for the Lamar.
I've never actually opened Classics, so.
I have never even seen it. Oh, these packs are the hard packs to open. It's looking like. I'm kind of nervous for the 17 stuff. I'm trying to get that Mahomes. I don't even know how much I'd go for.
Who else is good from there?
Lamar, Josh Allen are the main ones we're looking for here.
Oh, this one, yeah.
Cooper Kupp. They're second year Mahomes.
Second year Mahomes. That's actually not bad. They're kind of cool cards too.
No, just feel them.
Let me feel them. Well, they're like your Classics.
Kevin Coleman.
Carson Wentz.
He's not a rookie this year. And Rob. Raymond Berry. Where's my rookies?
No rookie.
Is that even legal? Is that legal?
I don't think.
Which one do we go with first?
It's called Classics for a reason.
I'd go with Panini football.
I don't know. It's really in here, but. Oh my God. I just probably bent. If there's a Mahomes in here, I just bent it for sure. So 17. There's a lot of good rookies we can pull. Deshaun, McCaffrey.
Philip Rivers for the Chargers.
So it's not a fat pack or anything. Philip Rivers, Justin Tucker, Jarvis Landry. We do have a Christian McCaffrey rookie here.
Okay.
Rookie Garrett
Bowles.
I've heard of him before. Clan Dix and a Carson Palmer and a who? Nah.
No Mahomes, but a Christian McCaffrey.
I mean, yeah.
Now I think this is an auto, maybe. Come on. I know you can get. Don't check. Just open it.
Okay.
We do got a blue something in there.
Something blue. Jeremy Hill. Tyrod Taylor. Come on.
Stakes are high.
Dante Moncrief. Osemele. Jordan. Talib.
Orange Drew Brees.
Yellow, it looks like.
Yellow.
Michael Bennett. Barry Sanders. Rookie. Marlon Humphrey. DeMarcus Walker.
Corey Davis? I mean, that's not bad.
And here's your kid reporter. What a nerd.
Okay, so that will sum up Josh's pack. Here we got the Christian McCaffrey, probably the highlight, I'd say. And maybe the second year Mahomes. That DeAndre Swift is not it.
Yeah.
And the Tua, it's Leaf.
Yeah, this DeAndre Swift may be getting cracked into pieces here.
We'll put this to the side, and we'll compare at the end. And then, yeah, also this Corey Davis is not bad. Not a bad one.
Not bad.
We'll put these to the side. This is these will be Josh's. We'll take these. These are going to the trash bin. For the most part.
Oh, you forgot the Trent Edwards too.
Who's Trent Edwards?
The big hit of the box.
Oh.
Come on.
So we got the second box.
Yeah, good packs turn into nothing.
Anything 17.
Well, no optic. Yeah, no optic.
No optic. Well, we're gonna change that right here.
Do the slow rollers like I did. Try to get the bummy packs after.
I do see some color in there. Not a bad thing.
Get that.
So we got Leaf Draft Football. Not what we're looking for there. Got another
Hit
football. Don't know what that is. Got another score.
Okay.
2017.
We're getting redemption here.
I think this is gonna be the same box, maybe. Premier Draft hit. Not really looking for that. Another 2017 Panini football.
We're getting redemption.
Don't want that either.
It's the same exact box.
And Classics 2018 with a CD Lamb
10. Oh, you do have your card.
Round 1, pick 17.
You still have your card in there too.
Set that one up real quick.
So I think overall, Chris is one for the graded card.
We got an auto RPA of
Pettigrew.
Don't even know who that is.
Rookie.
Bowman's still.
Some rookie.
That's actually kind of cool. Let me sleeve that one.
Not a bad one right there.
I mean,
It is an RPA.
Is it numbered?
It is an RPA.
It's got the poo-poo stain on the back. Poo-poo stain on the back. RPA.
Looking like a PSA 10.
Poo-poo stain.
All right, football Premier Draft right here.
That's actually kind of cool though. I'm not gonna lie.
All right, we got a Ronald Perkins, JT hit 5-star, Tyler Hall, some random dude, and KJ Hamler next level.
There's our poo-poo RPA. Poo-poo stain.
Ashton Davis, DJ Dallas,
These are all rookies.
Terrell, Darrington Evans, not a bad one. Isaiah Simmons, first rounder. Don't know him, and a DeAndre Swift.
You can't really base it off these 2020s.
Yeah.
Just getting these out of the way, dude. Jake Fromm, Shea Patterson, Devin Duvernay. I think that is a color card. Probably not numbered though. Keyshawn Vaughn and Nate Stanley.
Classics.
Let's hope we got the bad luck out of those.
Let's hope we pull Lamar or Josh Allen in this.
Got classics right here. On classics, I don't know if it's guaranteed rookies since name classics kind of hints at it. But we will see.
I don't even know if you can get rookies.
Sean McCoy, Robbie Anderson, Jameis Winston.
Is he a rookie in 18?
We got a
He's in
Terrell
17.
Suggs, Ray Lewis, Baltimore Arrows, Lance, Maurice Jones-Drew, that's a classic, Tony G, and Frank.
Man, those
Yeah,
packs are
no, those aren't really it.
Just get all those trash out of here.
All right,
Let's go with the
17.
Panini Football 2017.
How much rookies did I get out of here? 2?
Yeah,
We got 1 or 2.
I got 2.
Kid Reporter on the back for good luck.
Patrick Mahomes, come on.
Come on, Patty.
We got Ezekiel Elliott, Doug Baldwin, Sterling Shepard, Antonio Brown,
Accolades.
receiving records.
This should be a rookie right here.
Oh no.
Oh, no.
Shelton Gibson.
Oh, no.
Not what we're looking
Jay
for.
Ajayi, James Harrison, and Matt Forte.
Not what we're looking for.
Not at all.
Don't even know what that guy is. All right, coming in with the better pack, we got
Score.
12 packs.
So
cards,
you
12
get 4 rookies from these, I think.
Kid Reporter on the back. Hopefully that's not looking like the same pack as last time.
It shouldn't be.
CJ Fredericks, Eli Manning,
A lot of
Robert
bums here.
Quinn, Alex Smith, Lane Johnson,
Flip the cards over.
Latavius Murray. We got a David Johnson. It looks like a hollow or some kind of.
Yeah, it's like a hollow, maybe. I don't know.
Yeah.
I will set that aside for now. We got John Elway.
Rookies coming up.
Peyton Manning, that is not a rookie.
Miles
Looks like we're
Garrett.
flipping it over.
Miles
Myles Garrett.
Myles Garrett.
Oh, Joshua Dobbs. Elijah Hood.
Miles Garrett's not bad.
And we got the Kid Report.
Miles Garrett's not a bad one.
Yeah, I'd sleep.
Basically, this is probably the best hit.
I mean, we did get an auto with the poo-poo on it.
Probably the best card here, but maybe the RPA. I don't know who this dude is, but
You know.
So who do you think won, Josh or Chris?
I got an RPA, so
I don't know. That's gonna be a close one. I mean, it's Christian McCaffrey versus Miles Garrett.
Yeah.
CD over.
And I pull a second-year Mahomes in the classics.
I think we're gonna have to give this one to Josh.
Yeah.
That's what it's seeming like. I mean, that CD Lamb. But other than that, I mean, yeah, throw this up. There's that Miles Garrett. I mean, the RPA. Maybe if it didn't have poop stain on it. Then we got the Corey Davis, Christian McCaffrey for Josh, second year.
this will be getting sent to PSA in the next group submission. So be ready for it to get back in about 6 months.
Go. Okay, well, overall, I think Josh has won that one.
Yeah. And episode 2 will be coming at you soon, so tune in for that.
They didn't give me the chance to open one, so maybe I'll be back at it again with the next one.
Episode
2, I might be back in this. So, yeah, we'll see about that. So, other than that, thank you guys for watching, and hopefully see you in episode 2. Bye, guys.